itong si Hong Jiangyang, bagamat wala pa tayong litrato ng taong ito, ay di umano ito ay kapatid ni Michael Yang. So nakita po namin yung analysis namin, nakita namin yung pagtatagni-tagni ng iba't ibang mga korporasyon na may kinalaman dito kay Michael Yang at saka sa operasyon noong mga Pogo. No? So we would like to say at this point that yes, there is a ground for a reasonable suspicion that the Young brothers, assuming they are different, kasi minsan naguguluhan din ako, sabi ko baka mamaya itong Hong Jiangyang na ito ay baka ito na rin si Michael Yang or whoever. Then again, kung magkaibang tao po sila, we have reasonable suspicion, we have grounds to reasonably suspect, using your terminology, that the Young brothers are connected to operations of these scam hubs, these scam farms. Kaya kinakailangan po talaga siyang mapapanagot.